Alrighty. So, guess I'm just gonna get started. This is my new hairstyle. I hope you really like it. Hello, welcome to my channel. And today, well tonight, it is, hold on. It's 11:44 at night. So, I've been seeing this video where people take their robe. I guess this used to be like a headband thing where you put your headband on, but recently people have been using a robe. I personally think a headband might actually be better. Do I have a headband? I do not. I'm sure I could find one, but don't feel like doing that. People have been taking the belt from their robe and you just put it right here, and then you just take sections of your hair and you flip it behind and you do your thing. So wanted to try it because I didn't feel like putting product in my hair, and I have naturally wavy curly hair, so if I don't put product in it when it's wet, you'll see what it looks like, because I'm gonna take this out. I did an awful job. All of this I can't imagine would dry very well again, because I mean if you had straight hair I'm sure it'd be fine and then the ends would just curl nicely, but I'm just really worried because my hair is curly again, so it's just gonna end up drying kind of frizzy and weird. So I want to redo it. I want to try and do it better. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. So I've been watching videos and these people pretty much all have straight hair, which is concerning to me. Oh, whoa. Wait a second. Oh. Never mind. That looked nice for a second. Like it had this like wave to it. That looks like crap. Okay, this is my hair after it's been very much tampered with and just brushed through. There's zero product in it. It's damp for sure. So yeah, most people are starting with dry hair, but whatever, it's okay. I'm putting some oil in my hair, just, you know, trying to prevent frizz. But yeah, I'm really bad at doing my hair because it's so long. Like there's just so much of it that it just stresses me out. Here, let me like stand up so you can see. My hair is very long. I'm wearing a giant friend shirt to sleep, so don't judge me. Oh god, I'm really nervous. Why did I invite people to watch me do this? But yeah, so we're gonna do it. We're just gonna do it. And this girl that I'm watching, Lane E. Marie Beauty, I'll put this video down below, but look how pretty her hair looks. If my hair ends up looking like this, like that, with no heat, which probably not, but you know, that would be too good to be true. I'm using this as a mirror, so I'm sorry I'm not looking into the camera. Okay. All right, let's get this even. Goodness gracious, this is a fun time. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, I'm gonna keep it pretty close to the front. Oh god, it's already slipping and sliding. You know what? I'm gonna be a genius. I'm gonna grab a bobby pin. A bobby pin with pearls in it from when I was a mermaid. For this kids meet and greet thing. Okay, I'm gonna pin this. Am I a genius? Probably. Okay, did that even get any of my hair? Don't think so. Hold on. Okay. Well. Hold on, folks. Ow! Oh, God. I'm gonna try and use these, which I used for a show, and they're like, they're very tight. Like they actually gave me a headache. Oh, all right, I need to fix this situation. Hold on. I got it. Yes! Okay, also, maybe if I just grab my rubber band and I just tie it like this wow, this probably would have been the easier solution. Just tie it into the hair here. It'll secure it. I'm really just stalling. This part up top isn't as hard, but once you get to the bottom and you can't let go of the rope, and then you're trying to like section off your hair, and then other pieces of my hair, because it's so thick, just start like mixing themselves in with the piece that I'm trying to grab, and then it's just like it's a whole situation. But this is going so much smoother than the last time. I'm knocking on some wood. Oh crap. Oh crap. soon as I start getting excited, I twist it the wrong way. Okay. Okay, I'm running out of rope, which didn't happen the last time, so that's telling me I'm actually probably doing something right. Alright. I'm really worried because, like, this part isn't very, like, wrapped up in everything, so I'm just hoping. Right, and now I'm just wrapping. This is like the braid that I could never do. Yeah, you saw before how low, well, I don't know if I showed you, but the belt was hanging really low. So it tells me I did a better job this time. Oh my gosh. As soon as I let it go, it all just twists this way. Okay, is there any way that I can get it to stay? Because that'd be great. I don't know, did I do this right? I mean, it looks good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm coming back, Go and hide and run away, run away. Like it's simple, like it's right. This side has less hair on it. This might be easier to do. We'll see. So grabbing another small section. If I could just wash my hair and do this instead of sitting there and like doing a whole like 12-step routine and then diffusing it and all that jazz. I hate saying all that jazz now. Makes me sad. I was in Chicago playing Velma when this whole thing happened, so I don't think the show's gonna go up anymore. So every time I hear all that jazz now, I'm just gonna be very sad. Okay, so this is the final. Look, I'll stand up and show you. This is what it looks like. What she did in the video is she put them into buns, which I think would be ideal for sleeping. So, but first, since I'm a hairspray fanatic and I just get anxiety when I don't hairspray my hair. If you tell me not to hairspray my hair, I'm not gonna trust you. I just feel a lot safer with hairspraying my hair, especially when I'm sleeping, because I feel like it helps preserve my hair while I'm sleeping, so.
Where is my strong Ross Skywalker to come rescue me?
Probably won't be very comfortable to sleep in. Would this be comfortable? I mean, I'll have to take one for the team and see. Okay, I have a really good feeling about this. I'm actually really excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, I've talked enough. I'll see you in the morning when this is done. Pray for me. Okay, so good morning. I'm just very concerned because I mean, I don't know what's going on here. Obviously this didn't stay in the little bun. The scrunchie is just left up here. This little guy stayed. Obviously that's to be expected since I slept on this side. But you know, there's this little thing going on here, so. It wasn't uncomfortable to sleep on, but you could definitely, like, you knew it was there, but it was like, I could get over it. I mean, I used to sleep on like rollers and stuff, so maybe I'm just immune. Oh, jeez. All right. Okay, Hannah, be gentle. Don't be gargantuan with your hair right now. Okay, as I'm like yanking on it. Cool. Oh, I have a bad feeling about this. Good thing we're in quarantine and I don't gotta go nowhere. Please work. God, if you can hear me. If you could just rearrange my hair to, oh no. Like, what did I do? How did I do this? Like, I can't with myself. I was so proud of myself last night. I'm really just excited to see what the front looks like, because it's either gonna look like really bad and like super curly in a bad way, or it's gonna look really good because it's really tightly wound. So the moment of truth. Oh my god. So when I try and brush it out, it kind of just like goes back. Oh my lord. Okay, maybe I wasn't supposed to be twisting. Oh gosh. Alright, I'm just gonna get this side up. This looks so bad. Look at it. It was supposed to be like, it was supposed to be like really pretty curls, and it came out. Well, so I know a lot of you probably gonna be looking at the screen going, brush your hair through, brush your hair through. I am terrified to do that because there's no product in my hair. And again, it's curly, so when I brush it, it literally gets this big. And well, this didn't necessarily work out, did it? Okay, let me... Dude. I watched so many videos after I did this, and everybody's turned out so good. From the side, the back. I don't even know what the back looks like. I don't think I want to know. And from the front. Okay, I need a mirror. Dude, this like, okay, I think it was the twisting motion. Oh, since this can't get any worse, I'm gonna brush it. Let's do this. Okay, see what happens when I... Ay, ay, ay.
Firstborn descendant of Clan Dunbrog, and I'll be shooting for my own hand.
Here you go. This is the finished look. I would definitely recommend it. Alright, well, here you go. That's the no heat curl technique on curly hair. I think we can all agree it did not turn out well. Well, that was the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if I did something wrong, or if you've tried this and it works for you, or if you have any other methods to do this kind, not this kind of thing, what this was supposed to do kind of thing. And let me know, because I really want to try it. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, please comment below blue heart emojis so that I know you made it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.